I bet you didn't know that the key to inner peace is already within you. Life is a journey. We all face challenges. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but there's a place of peace inside each of us. We can find this peace. Music and affirmations can help. They guide us to our inner strength. They remind us of our worth. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. Each day brings new challenges and opportunities, and sometimes it can all feel like too much to handle. The weight of responsibilities, the pressure to succeed, and the constant noise of the world can make it easy to feel overwhelmed. But amidst the chaos, there is a sanctuary, a place of peace that resides within each of us. This inner peace is not something that we need to search for outside ourselves. It is already there, waiting to be discovered. Finding this peace requires us to take a step back from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It means carving out moments of stillness and quiet, where we can reconnect with our true selves. One of the most powerful tools to help us on this journey is music. The right melody can soothe our minds, calm our hearts, and transport us to a place of tranquility. Whether it's the gentle strumming of a guitar, the soft notes of a piano, or the harmonious blend of a choir, music has the ability to touch our souls and bring us closer to our inner peace. Affirmations are another valuable resource in our quest for inner peace. These positive statements can help reframe our thoughts and shift our mindset. By repeating affirmations, we can remind ourselves of our worth, our strength, and our potential. They serve as gentle reminders that we are capable, deserving, and resilient. Affirmations can be as simple as I am enough, I am strong, or I am worthy of love and happiness. When we incorporate these affirmations into our daily routine, they become a powerful force that guides us towards a more peaceful and fulfilling life. In addition to music and affirmations, spending time in nature can also help us find peace within. The beauty of a scenic path through a forest, the serenity of a calm beach at sunrise, or the majesty of a mountain peak can remind us of the vastness and wonder of the world. Nature has a way of grounding us, helping us to feel connected to something greater than ourselves. It encourages us to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the present moment. Ultimately, finding peace within is a personal journey. It requires patience, self-compassion, and a willingness to explore the depths of our own hearts and minds. But with the right tools and a commitment to self-care, we can uncover the peace that lies within us all. So take a moment, breathe deeply, and remember that you have the power to find your inner peace. It is there, waiting for you, ready to guide you through life's challenges and remind you of your worth. Music is powerful. It can change our mood. Soft piano melodies soothe the soul. They calm our worries. Gentle rain creates a peaceful ambience. It washes away stress. Ocean waves are hypnotic. They lull us into a state of relaxation. Nature's sounds are healing. Birdsong uplifts the spirit. Wind rustling through leaves brings tranquility. These sounds connect us to something bigger. Music creates a sanctuary. It's a refuge from the storm. It allows us to breathe deeply. It helps us find stillness. Imagine walking through a dense forest, the canopy above filtering the sunlight into a mosaic of light and shadow. The air is filled with the sweet, melodious songs of birds, each note a reminder of the beauty and complexity of life. The gentle rustling of leaves as the wind whispers through the trees creates a soothing backdrop, a natural symphony that calms the mind and soul. As you continue your journey, you come across a serene river. The water flows gently, cascading over rocks and creating a soft, rhythmic sound that is both mesmerizing and peaceful. This is nature's music, a timeless composition that has been playing for eons, inviting us to pause and listen. In a nearby meadow, wildflowers sway gently in the breeze, their vibrant colors a feast for the eyes. The hum of bees and the distant call of a hawk add to the rich tapestry of sounds. Each element, from the smallest insect to the grandest tree, contributes to this harmonious orchestra. As the day draws to a close, you find yourself by a calm lake watching the sunset. The sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, reflecting off the water's surface. The world seems to hold its breath in these moments. offering a sense of peace and stillness that is hard to find in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Nature's symphony is more than just a collection of sounds. It is a reminder of our connection to the earth and to each other. It teaches us to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, and to find joy in the present moment. In this sanctuary, we find refuge from the storms of life, a place where we can breathe deeply and find our inner stillness. Affirmations are powerful words. They are positive statements. We repeat them to ourselves. They can change our thinking. Affirmations build us up. They remind us of our strength. They help us believe in ourselves. They open us to possibilities. I am enough is a powerful affirmation. It's a declaration of self-worth. We are all worthy. We don't need to be perfect. We are enough just as we are. We have value. We have something unique to offer. We deserve love and happiness. This simple yet profound statement can transform our lives. When we truly believe that we are enough, we start to see the world differently. We begin to appreciate our strengths and accept our flaws. We understand that our worth is not determined by external factors, but by our inner sense of self. Embracing the idea that we are enough allows us to let go of the need for constant validation from others. It frees us from the pressure to conform to societal standards and expectations. We can live authentically, true to ourselves. This affirmation encourages us to practice self-compassion and kindness. It reminds us that we are deserving of love and respect, not because of what we do or achieve, but simply because we exist. By repeating "I am enough" daily, we can rewire our brains to focus on our inherent worth. This practice can boost our confidence and self-esteem, helping us to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. We become more mindful of our thoughts and actions, making choices that align with our true selves. The journey to self-acceptance is not always easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. As we embrace our enoughness, we inspire others to do the same. We create a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. Remember, you are enough, just as you are. You have the power to create a fulfilling and meaningful life. Embrace your uniqueness, celebrate your achievements, and be kind to yourself. You are enough. I am worthy of love and happiness. This affirmation opens our hearts. We deserve love. We are worthy of happiness. Love and happiness are our birthright. We can attract them into our lives. We do this by believing we deserve them. Music and affirmations work together. They create a powerful synergy. Music sets the mood. Affirmations direct our thoughts. Find a quiet space. Choose calming music. Repeat your affirmations. Let the music and words wash over you. Finding inner peace is a journey. It takes time, it takes practice, but it's worth it. Every step we take brings us closer. Music and affirmations are our guides. They light the way. As we cultivate inner peace, we change. We become calmer. We become more confident. We radiate love and positivity. We become the best version of ourselves. This is the power of relaxation, music, and affirmations. This is the path to inner peace.